That is the weather today in Kosamet. There was raining this morning and it's still raining a little bit, but not that much. Yeah, it's getting to be sun again. But there is the dark on the other side. And you could see that it start to rain again. It's cloudy and yeah, it's quiet a little bit. Yeah, you could see that. Not that many people. Even the chair, there's nobody sitting right now. So yeah, that was the weather in Kosamet yesterday. And that is our restaurant. In this morning there was just like stormy coming. เหมือนพายุเข้าเลยเมื่อเช้านี้ฝนตกหนักแล้วก็ลมแรงด้วยแต่ตอนนี้ฝนไปแล้วแดดเริ่มจะออกแล้วแดดเริ่มออกนี่บรรยากาศที่เกาะเสม็ดตอนนี้นะครับ